kamikaze voyagers. I call you voyagers because we are all navigating this beautiful journey called life. Thanks for joining me on my skincare voyage to natural beauty, where we discover glowing, healthy skin together.
This is what I have to clean up. The soap is already hard. These flowers and use them, but they look like they're like blossoming. I don't wanna, what is this? I don't wanna use them. I want them to stay there and just look pretty. I'm gonna take those aloe vera. Let's see. This is the soaps that I'm gonna be taking to on mode today. Yeah, this is there. It's ready. And this is the other ones. We had a little crack. I tried to seal the crack, but that didn't work. The crack is still there, which is okay. You know, I can deal with a little crack. Let's see. Yeah, most of them have cracks in them. That's because of the heat. So the heat, especially with like adding other like aloe vera, the heat is meant to like, yeah, especially with adding like aloe vera. Our soaps, I made it on Monday. Today is a Wednesday, so it's time to cut our soaps. We're gonna go to the beach to cut our soap because I like to travel, and again, voyagers, I like to go to new places, and explore the place that I live in, like the state that I live in, and explore like new nature sightings or like beautiful places to like, you know, see. So yeah, today we're gonna go somewhere to cut this soap. Come with me and find out where we'll be going to cut these soaps. Why am I singing the shark? That's crazy. Okay. And the dirty plates and where did I put it? Shoot. Hello. And the dirty plates and what's it called? So we're gonna have our cut soaps in here. I won't be coming back to the warehouse until tomorrow, so yeah. Because I'm not gonna drive a couple minutes to get to a destination and then drive back here because I got other things to do. I usually take two, like 1, 2. And I'll still take this flower shape one. These are a sample size, so if you want our sample, they're not available on our site yet, but we're gonna be doing samplings. I'm also gonna take this aloe vera. I think that's all I need. Yeah, that's all I need. So let's go to our destination. This is the destination, so we're gonna be cutting some soaps over here. It's really quiet, and I'm just gonna sit here for a few minutes and just listen to the waves and just relax for a bit before we start cutting some soaps and soak in this. Relax.
If you know you're a flower, leave a like for rain. And subscribe for sunshine. Let's grow and bloom together.